Progressive English Learning.
Emma, come here. Something is very wrong.
What happened?
My bank account is empty.
What? Seriously?
Yes, I checked my balance just now. It says 0.
That can't be right.
I had enough money yesterday.
Did you buy something expensive?
No, I only bought a sandwich.
That is one very expensive sandwich.
This is not funny.
Sorry, but we need to find out what happened.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I think there is a mistake with my account.
What seems to be the problem?
All my money is gone.
I understand. Let me check.
We hope it's just a small mistake.
I can see a large payment.
A large payment?
Yes.
But I didn't make any payment.
Oh no.
Don't worry. We will check everything carefully. I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Did you share your bank password?
No.
Did anyone use your card?
No.
Did you receive any strange phone calls?
Wait. I got one yesterday.
Really?
Did you give them any personal information?
No. I ended the call.
Good choice.
Is my friend's money safe?
I don't know yet, but we are getting closer.
I hope so.
Wait a minute. Something looks unusual.
What is it?
The payment was sent from an account with a very similar number.
Similar?
Yes. One number is different.
So, that isn't my account?
It looks like another customer entered the wrong account number.
Wow, that explains everything.
So, my money wasn't stolen?
We still need to confirm it, but this is good news.
Huh. I finally feel a little better. Oh no.
What happened now?
My rent payment is due today.
You still can't use your account?
Not until the bank finishes checking?
Oh, this is getting stressful.
Is there any way to solve this quickly?
We are doing our best. Please, give us a little more time.
I don't want to pay a late fee.
I understand your concern.
We hope there is good news soon.
Good news!
Really?
Yes, we found the problem.
Tell us.
Another customer typed the wrong account number by mistake.
So it was an accident?
Yes. The customer has confirmed the mistake. We have started the correction process.
Thank goodness.
I knew everything would be okay.
Your money should return very soon.
Wait. My balance is back.
That's wonderful.
All my money is here again.
Everything has been fixed.
Thank you so much.
Now you can pay your rent.
Yes, I'll do it right away.
Always check the account details before making payments.
I will. I learned an important lesson today.
Me too. So, what now?
I think we deserve a break.
I agree.
Let's celebrate with a coffee.
Great idea.
Thanks for staying with me today.
That's what friends are for.
Today started with a big problem.
And ended with good news.
Next time, the coffee is my treat.
Perfect. Just don't pay from the wrong account.
Never again.
Deal.